Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to walk through the process of installing VirtualBox Guest Addition on a Rocky Linux. If you have installed Rocky Linux in a VirtualBox, VirtualBox Guest Addition can greatly improve performance and provide useful features like shared folders and seamless mouse integration. Let's get started. Before we dive into the installation, let's make sure the system is up to date. Open a terminal and run the command. Enter the sudo password. Everything is up to date. So we have the latest patches and updates, which is always good. We no need to reboot the system. If the system is updated, we're supposed to reboot the system. The next is to install the required dependencies. Run the command sudo install. We require some of the libraries and dependencies. So this is the command. Once it's done, we can mount the guest addition image. This will take some time. I will pause the video and resume once it is back. Required dependencies is been installed now. So let's mount VirtualBox Guest Addition image. To do this, head over to the VirtualBox menu, click on Device and select Insert Guest Addition CD image. There are two ways to install Guest Addition. One is directly we can run from here, the pop-up window which has been appeared. The other one is we can directly mount this uh, image and run the script to install the VirtualBox Guest Addition. So as of now, we will run from here only. It will ask you for the password. Enter the password. Once password is given, it starts the installation. Here it is showing removing installed virtual 7.1.4. I have already installed that one. So it is removing first and then it will reinstall once again. I will pause the video. Once this is completed, I will resume it back. This will take few minutes. For these steps, there is nothing, there is no any inputs. It will automatically get installed. I'm pausing the video. Installation is completed. You will need to reboot your system for the changes to take effect. I will press here enter and let's reboot it by using reboot command. I will pause the video. Once I log into the system, I will resume back. System is rebooted. Let's check if the installation was successful. Run the command lsmod grep vbox to check VirtualBox related kernel models has been installed or not. Now let's talk about why should we install Guest Addition. It will increase and boost the performance, and also including the smoother graphics and improves the video resolutions. Second is also you can mount the shared folders. It enables seamless mouse integration as well. First, we will see the shared folders. So go to device, go to machines, go to settings. I have installed VirtualBox on my Windows machine. There I can create a folder, and I can mount that folder in Rocky Linux VirtualBox. So to do that, follow the steps. Here I have, let me create one second. Click on add. I create a folder Rocky Linux on my Windows machine. Select it and give the mount point /mnt, and also these are the permissions I want to auto mount and make it permanent. So let's cross verify if it is mounted. Yes, it is mounted here, Rocky Linux. Okay. And the next is you can copy some text from the terminal. Assume that I want to copy from my Windows machine some text. Assume that this is a command. I want to copy it on my VirtualBox. Directly we can paste it here. Oh, it is not working. Let me change the setting. Go to setting, click on advanced. Here you have the option. If you want to copy from host to guest, you can select the second one. If you want to copy from guest to host, you can select third option. If you want to copy text from bidirectional, means from guest OS to a Windows machine, or from Windows machine to a this VirtualBox guest machine, you can give bidirectional. Drag and drop all files also is supported. Okay, let me copy this once again. Can I paste it on the terminal? From terminal to this, I'm able to copy paste it on my Windows machine. Now I will copy other text from Windows to Linux. I'm able to copy it. Many more features are there, like clipboard sharing, screen resizing, seamless mouse integration, shared folders, improve the performance. All these things comes with VirtualBox Guest Addition. I will share all the steps and commands in description. Let me know if you have any questions. That's it for the video. We have covered how to install VirtualBox Guest Addition on Rocky Linux and many benefits it provides. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.